Is this the ultimate ultra-portable laptop? Let's dive into the ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED Touch. This ultralight laptop weighs only 1.39 kilograms and is just 14.9 millimeters thin. The premium aluminum chassis feels solid, and the hinge design allows a smooth 180 degrees lay-flat view. Powered by Intel Core Ultra 9, 32GB RAM, and ultra-fast SSD, this machine handles multitasking, editing, and productivity like a pro. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors with Intel Arc graphics, it breezes through work and light gaming. AI-enhanced apps run smoothly, and Wi-Fi 6E keeps you connected. Get 10+ hours of battery life and 0 to 60% charge in 49 minutes. Plus, IR camera for face unlock and quad-speaker Dolby Atmos audio for immersive sound.